The service road
Both service roads shall
Hot
be
mix.
perfectly hot mix.
Till MES junction.
Till MES junction. Directions to PWD,
Aye.
henceforward, and also to them, henceforward no bridge work will start
Yeah.
unless alternative roads are perfect. Sample. There should not be any scope for.
Signboards will be put in 10 days.
Now signboards will be put in 10 days, and these alternative roads for one-way traveling
Will be repaired and
shall
widened.
be repaired by 30th September.
And widened.
then informed to the DYSP traffic. For Panchayat, Industries is here. The Sarpanch is here. Jilla Panchayat chairperson is also here. I had come here because Mr. Morin told me that today you come here, visit this area. I was supposed to go come to the college also. So I said yes, I will definitely come. So accordingly, we have decided that both the service roads, as the work is going on, shall be hot mixed by 30th September. Am I right? They have promised me that by 30th September, both the roads will be hot mixed, unless there is continuously heavy rain and they are not able to start the plant. They are expecting to start the plant by 20th or 24th, something like that. It will take them two days, maybe 2 days for doing the hot mix. Second, decided I have given direction to the PWD. Chief engineer also, I have told him that in Goa, wherever there is such bridge work starts, before starting the bridge work, service roads have to be perfect. I don't want any complaint from the commuters who use those roads. ते मागीर सगळे आमकांच मारतात मम्मीना पडटल्यो म्हाका पडटल्यो गव्हर्मेंटाक पडटल्यो पूण आयकना आनी दॅट इज ट्रू न्ही आमी गाडी घेवन वता जाल्यार आमकांय बॉम्ब मारची पडटा तशें जावपाक जाय दॅट इज वन थर्ड इज some diversions they are doing where I have told them that by 30th September you make those small roads for one-way travel like two-wheelers, four-wheelers, not trucks, heavy trucks, only cars of the resident. I said make those roads perfect first. As Sarpanch, Jilla Panchayat chairperson, they have suggested they can take them also, and then inform the DYSP traffic saying that roads are perfect. We will inspect and then put up a report to me saying that roads are perfect. Then we will allow.
पण 10 दिवसा भितर सायनेजूय घालपाक लायल्या तुम्ही 10 दिवसां भितर सायनेजूय घालपाक लायल्या
10 दिसा भितर सायनेजीस घालपाक.
After inspection with this.
Also another thing from safety point of view, there have been 2 deaths here. रातचे लोक समजे भितर गेला ते मातशे ते सारखे करपाक जाय. Even the barricades have to be with proper lighting or that neon sign where you can see at night also radiant that the illumination should be there radiant.
तो आमचा मनीस
सर
झालंय ओके थँक्यू
सर तुमचे कमेंट दिले
माझ्या आणखी दिले मध्ये
No, no, but this is a very important junction. Many deaths have happened here, sir. How do you look at it? Because in the past they have made assurances and forgotten also.
You are yourself aware how many times I have come here, given similar type of instruction. I am happy that the Honorable PWD Minister, who is also ex-Chief Minister, Digambar Kamatji, has come here immediately. The moment I rang him, he agreed instantly to come. I said, you come and see the position. And I am happy he has given instructions wherein results are bound to be there by 30th September. My only additional thing is the barricades that are there at the side, make them little more foolproof so that people don't go inside. We know we had 2 very unfortunate deaths of very young people. आणि व्हेरी क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शन तेणें दिला असले काम हुंय गोंयान चलता तेन्ना ब्रिजाचे आनी कितें सर्वीस रोड पयले करपाचे सो दोज इंस्ट्रक्शन्स ऑल्सो हॅव गॉन सो प्रोवायडेड इट इज इम्प्लिमेंटेड आय थिंक समथींग व्हेरी गुड हॅज हॅपन्ड आफ्टर his visit. We will wait till 30th September to see how much
I will come in
ground
between.
reality is there.
Somewhere on 24th, 25th, हांव तुका फोन मारून येता ताकाय फोन मारता just to see your things are online करना तें. I want to wait for 30th.
Sir, all over Goa there are a lot of complaints about the.
अरे बाबा हांव अजून सारकें आज फर्स्ट डे वचपाचो हांव पणजी म्हाका येवचें पडलें हागेल्या हाका लागून हांगा येवचें पडलें हांव आय एम नॉट रीच पॅन्जी I have to take proper briefing from that.
एक रिपोर्ट येवपा आशिल्लो सर आयज तुम्ही सांगिल्ले
I have not gone to Panji.
Bad roads, good roads,
Once
worst
they go,
roads.
I go to Panji. Then they will implement.
But any directions तुम्ही दितले अशे जर रोड्स रोड्स बरे जावचे.
My priority is making roads the best.
सर एक गॅजेट आयिल्लो आसा की एमपीटीन ती गेट काडपाची म्हणटा
म्हाका आतां हेका बरोबर सगळें Alternate internal road is there, sir. No good public, sir. Already the SP, sir, in traffic, everybody heavy traffic, sir. Smaller traffic will be allowed. That roads are in good condition? Yes. Already visited the traffic SP and everybody. No, don't tell me that they are in good condition. I want good conditions. Both roads are. If you are closing any road and giving alternatives, those alternatives have to be perfect. Not, I don't want any complaint from the तो मॉविना गाड़ी मारतो तागे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आणि गव्हर्नमेंटा गाडी मारतो म्हणजे आमकां गाडी येतली माने
The both roads only for the residents, sir. Heavy traffic is going on the.
तुमचो कोण आसा हे कोणाच्या अंडर येता ना तुमचो कोण मनीस आसा आमचो कोण नासता पूण आतां इंटरनल दिस इज ऑल रायट येता 30 तारीख पर्यंत दोन्ही करता म्हणटा सध्या इंटरनल डायवर्ट करता म्हणटा
Only for the residents.
खंयचे खबर आहा तुका 25 करा मरे आतां टॅक्नॉलॉजी खंय पावले रे पावसांत तुका वाटत चलता आतां बाय हांगा टॅक्नॉलॉजीचेर तुमी सांगा का हांव अर्दो इंजिनियर हांव आतां इंजिनियरींग शिकलां लक्षात दवरा हांव सांगता का 30th सप्टेंबर पर्यंत बोथ स्टेजीस शॅल बी हॉटेल जालें हें कमिटमेंट मरे हां आणि मातशें MES पर्यंत एक्सटेंड MES पर्यंत
Ultimately, it is the same road where people are going. The whole thing should be done.
जालें आता तो कितें म्हणटा सध्या हांगाच्या जे स्मॉल व्हेहिकल्स आसा पळय त्यो आतां सांगता हे आसा हांगाच्यान डायवर्ट करता वन वे सायड आय हॅव टोल्ड मेक रोड्स परफेक्ट फ्युचर रोड्स सो वन वे फ्रॉम धाकले गाडी heavy vehicles
No.
only small vehicles
Only small vehicles. Before you divert, they are also full of potholes. You have to repair those roads.
no make them perfect
Perfect.
Okay.
Make them perfect first and make little broad also at the side. Otherwise, we will not allow the closure. I am telling first only. Shoulders सारखे करपा जाय. नाले हिंगाय problem, तिगाय problem. सगळे कडे आमी गाडी खावप.
who will take this responsibility
Yeah.
see you do this perfect and then inform DYSP
We will do all compliance, sir.
we will do all compliance report to me
Whatever will be
you inform this DYSP traffic that both the roads have been made perfect
This is a very sharp turn. Straight it.
ते दाखोवपाला येता तुझे
Understood. No, no, sir.
इंजिनियर आपण की दाखोपाला
Government land.
तुझो कोण इंजिनियर तुझो कोण see directions are once these roads are made perfect how many days it will take
Sir,
Tell
within
me,
10...
take your time. I'm just not putting pressure on you. I'm prepared to give you time, but stick to your word.
Yes, sir.
How much it is going to rain?
Rain,
If it
yes,
rains,
yes. Then you can't
won't
do
be
it.
able to do
We
anything.
will put
Distance
all
of the-
safety signboards within 10 days, but whatever this road condition, we will take some
Say
time.
30th September कितना तक
Once inspect along with the Sarpanch, everybody, sir.
DYSP traffic, who will put up a report to me saying that roads are perfect.
Yes.
Nale? Nale, Mare?
एक रिक्वेस्ट आहे आम्हाला जाम जातो